Hello, welcome this session Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Services. Today we are going to learn about overview of VBCS page development. Overview of a VBCS page. Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Services is a cloud-based tool that help you quickly build and develop web and mobile application with minimal coding. It uses a drag and drop interface, pre-built component, and interface, Oracle Cloud and other services. First step, create a new application. On the VBCS dashboard, click the Create button, select Application tab, choose Web Application, provide basic details. Step 3 is a Create page. In the Web Application section, click Page, add a page, choose the page type blank page. Create a page, drag component. Step 3 is a basic UI component button, input text, checkbox, radio button, drop down table. Step 4 is a preview and test. At the top right on the design, click preview. Friend list, let's move to VBCS instance. This is a VBCS instance, Oracle Visual Builder. This is a import, new. This is instance name. This is a application. Filter by name, status. Friend, today we are create a first welcome page. To let's go to the create a new welcome page. Tap a new, put your application. This is a application display name, application name, description, application template, change template. To put your application name, welcome 001. This is your application name, cancel and finish. To tap on finish. This is a VBCS page, responsive app. This is a service connection. This is a component. This is a business object. This is a web app. To create a first web app, tap on web app, general information, application name, navigation style. To put your application name like welcome, cancel and create a first web app. This is a welcome page name, main start page, fragment, resource, root page. Fragment is a page header. This is a page header. This is a page canva. Page canva is a VBCS page header. Self footer. This is a self footer. This is a self header. Resource is a action, component, CSS, image. One by one, explain your next video. Root page. To tap on main start page. This is a component, various component in providing in VBCS like dynamic container, dynamic field, dynamic form like avatar, band, button, camera, heading, various component in providing VBCS. This is a data parts like business object, structure. This is a structure. This is a page canva, fit page canva. Your application name. This is a header. This is a footer. This is a live mode design. This is a code. This is a code. This is a code. Main start page, general event, title, description, select page template. To let's tap on code. This is a page code. To select all and delete and go to the design page. The design page is a blank. To create a first welcome page, to click on components button. This is a components button. To use the heading component. This is a heading component. Easily drag the page canva heading button. This is a heading. This is a properties, general event, all, id, text, heading text, label, h1, class, oj, headers, oj, flex item. To put your heading name. Put your heading name. Heading name is welcome to the VBCS Page development development. This is a page name. Font is small. To tap on label h1. To tap this. This is a page name. Welcome to the VBCS Page development. To tap on input text, click on this input text. Input text is component is input text. Input text. This is a input text. Drag on input text. This is input text. Click on input text. Name is input text. Tap put your name. This text. This is a input text name. Tap on component to search a button component. This is a button component. Drag on button component. Click on button component. Name is submit. Label is submit. Submit. Component design is chroming. This is a chroming. Tap on chroming. Call to action. This is a button design. Okay. Friend, First of all, create a variable to user will enter the value, show the notification. To first create a this is a page designer, action chain, event listener, event type variable. To first create a new variable, this is a variable section. To tap on variable and put your name, where underscore num 1. This is a variable. Go to the page designer. This is a page designer. Click on input text. Go to property, input text property. This is a gender. This is a data. This is a value fx x. To click on x, this is a variable to put your variable value. Click on varnum. This is a variable. User will click on name button. User will enter the value and click the submit button. Show the notification. To tap on submit button and go to property. This is a gender. This is a event and all. Tap on event. This is a event. Enter the plus icon. Event. Event is a OJ action. Click on OJ action event. Tap and enter the event button action chain. This is action chain name. This is a gender. To search the fire notification. Fire notification. This is a fire notification. Action chain component. Drag the fire notification. Go to the summary. This is a summary, ID, description, message, display, notification type. Put your summary name. Put your summary name. This summary name is your record is submitted submitted successfully. Yes. Successfully. Your record is submitted successfully. This is a message name. Notification type is confirmation. This is a submit button. Go to the page designer. My VBCS page is a complete. Go to the preview button. Click on preview button. This is a arrow. Go to the preview button. Then run the page. Okay, this is my first welcome VBCS page. User will enter the value like name, welcome, like name, save. Click the submit button. Show the pop-up notification. Your record is successfully submitted. It is a pop-up notification. To close the notification, my VBCS page is complete. Thanks friend for watching the video.